Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me getting all dolled up by Bronx stylist Tion. Yay! He's making me so gorgeous. I was getting ready to go to an event with my friend the next day. So I got the full works, nails, feet, eyelashes. So yeah. So yeah, this is the finished results of his masterpiece. I wanted you guys' opinion about the top of my hair. What do you guys think? Is the top of my head like completely matching? It looks a little dark to me, but what's your guys' opinion of my hair? Yeah, so this is the finished result of him doing my hair, and yeah, I liked it. I think my hair on top could have been a little lighter. What do you guys think? If my nails look strange to you guys, it's bubble nails. It's a nail style that I always wore before it got really popular. So yeah, he's taking a pic for Insta. This is just a little gel pedicure action.
Mommy, pull it down. Pull it down. Mommy, pull it. Okay, pull it down for her. Stop for her. My girlfriend. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, he's recording me, my friend. I'm like, oh, nah.
Because of copyright infringement, I'm not gonna play much of the music, but you know, at some point through my mom's little 3-minute dance session, she runs out of steam here and there, which was really funny to us. So this is my daughter. She's helping with this amazing unboxing today for you guys. So now we get into the extra fun stuff. Ho! Ho, ho, ho. These are some Gucci sneakers that I bought on Memorial Day. They are men's studded sneakers. Original price was about $7. Don't quote me on that because I'm not sure. But I got these for $119 at the Gucci outlet in Woodbury Commons. It was so amazing. What a steal of a deal. So these are Miu Miu slides with pearls on the top of them. I still haven't worn them, by the way, but they are totally amazing and so comfortable and great quality. I love them so much. I got these at Bergdorf Goodman in New York on 5th Avenue. My favorite store in the city. Then Saks, of course, but I love Bergdorf Goodman so much. I also got these red Gucci sneakers with the Jaguar, I believe, at the outlets. I paid like $3.50 for them. And the outlets at Secaucus, New Jersey. I love to shop so much. These are Givenchy rain boots. I bought these at Matches Fashion from the UK. Original price, I believe, were like $500, and I got them for $175 on sale, which was so amazing. They're so beautiful. I love them so much. I wear them like regular boots, not like rain boots, because you know they're socks or whatever, and they go so well with just about everything. These are Gucci platform sneakers in what I like to call patriotic colors: red, white, and blue. Classic Gucci. I love platform sneakers, and these are so comfortable, so nice. I got them in Saks Fifth Avenue, New York, for around $400 and let's say $50. I was lucky enough to catch them on sale. These, oh my god, are my faves of all time. My Peggy Gucci Rainbow platform sneakers. They were $9.95, and I got them in the outlet at Woodbury Commons for $474, I believe, like around $500. So like I got them just a little under half price, and it was so amazing. I was so surprised. So these are Aquazzura heels. These are the Gucci slide that everybody had for the whole summer. Everyone had. I have the whites, so pretty, so perfect. And I have the black ones as well. We're so cute.